Exercise 1.4 first question. Determine whether the graph given below represent functions. Give reason for your answers concerning each graph. So the first graph, it's not a function because the graph meets the vertical line at more than one point. So this is the first point. So at these 2 points, the graph is meeting the vertical line. So clearly it is not a function. The second graph, it is a function because the curve meets the vertical line exactly at only one point. So to check, we'll draw a vertical line. So it's meeting at only one point. So this is a function. So to check the third graph, draw a vertical line. And you can see that the graph meets at more than one point. So it is not a function. So when you draw a vertical line, the graph will meet exactly at one point. So the fourth one is a function. So to check a graph whether it's a function or not, just draw a vertical line. If it meets exactly at one point, then the given graph is a function. If it meets the vertical line more than one point, then the graph is not a function. Second question, let f is a function from a to b, be a function defined by f of x is equal to x by 2 minus 1, where a is equal to z of 2, 4, 6, 10, 12, b is equal to z of 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 9, represent f by set of ordered pairs. So for the solution, first write what is given. F is a function from a to b, and write down a value and b value. So write the value of f of x. F of x is equal to x by 2 minus 1. So for the first value, for the first x value, that is 2, f of 2 is equal to, replace x by 2. We'll get 2 by 2 minus 1. 2 by 2 is 1 and 1 minus 1, 0. Similarly, find f of 4. 4 by 2 minus 1. You'll get 4 by 2 as 2, so 2 minus 1, 1. Then f of 6. 6 by 2 minus 1. So 6 by 2 is 3. 3 minus 1, 2. Then f of 10. 10 by 2 minus 1. 10 by 2 is 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. Then f of 12. 12 by 2 minus 1. So 12 by 2 value is 6, 6 minus 1 is 5. So for the first question, you have to represent them in ordered pairs. So write in flower brackets. So for the x value 2, f of x value is 0. And for x value 4, f of x value is 1. Similarly for 6 it is 2, and for 10 it's 4, then for 12 it's 5. So the next question, represent them using a table. So we'll take x, so for the table, write the x value on the top, and down write the corresponding f of x value. So third one is the arrow diagram. Write a and b and write the corresponding value, and then mark. So for 2 the value is 0, for 4 it is 1, for 6 it's 2, for 10 it's 4, for 12 it's 5, and 9 will not be mapped to any number from A. For ordered pairs and the table, you don't have to write the value 9, but for the arrow diagram you have to write all the values of B. So for the fourth one, graph, draw a graph with x-axis, y-axis and x dash and y dash axis, and mark the values. First ordered pairs is 2, 0. So 2 from your x-axis and 0, and write it as 2, 0. The next value is 4, 1. So 4 from your x and 1 from your y, and mark it as 4, 1. Then you have 6, 2. Then 10, 4. Then you have 12, 5.